We start with the 1 hour chart. We want to see how we can look for trade. By the way, the price dropped more than what we expected, then we don't need these lines anymore. And because we mentioned we are looking for the reversal. Anyway, whether this is the start of the reversal or not, the price couldn't break the previous low, almost take, because we have this shadow. That's why whether we look for the divergence or not, this is the question, because technically the price haven't tagged the lowest price, but if we don't consider about this shadow, almost the price is there. Anyway, it depends. Some of the, I mean, the technical analysis they consider, I mean, they as a divergence, some of them not. But the only thing is, even if this is the, I mean, even we consider as a divergence, if we want to look for the reversal, we need to see the continuation with the flag. Anyway, we move to daily chart. We have nothing else to discuss. Everything's like based on higher time frame. They're not much different. The only thing is, I was, I mean, we have been looking to see whether we can put this one as a correction in relative to this sharp move for one move up. This is what we are looking for. That's why we want to see whether we can look for buy based on lower time frame. And even if we move to forward chart, in last analysis, we mentioned there is a possibility this move can be similar to any of this. That means we are within this deep correction. Anyway, if we get any trade setup for buy, we can take it, and with the breakout of the top, we have to start to manage it. The only thing is we need to see the continuation, I mean the reversal as a sharp move, not the corrective move, because as we can see, the way the price was dropping was like very corrective. And even if we want to look for buy, we need to see the continuation as a sharp move flag. If we get any sharp move flag, we will take the trade, and with the breakout of the top, we start to manage it. And the stop loss should be somewhere around below this. That's mean around 1.27. Okay. By the way, right now we cannot look for buy. We need to see the continuation and flag or correction. If we get, then from there we can look for buy. How about if I move to 15 minutes? We don't see any trade setup, and can we expect this one turn to a flat for price to drop? That's why we need to see the continuation flag correction. Then from there we should, I mean, if we get, we can look for trade. Buying right now is not really good idea. Anyway, if we get any trade setup for buy, we can take it, and we want to see the breakout of the stop, and the stop loss should be below this, because if we get any trade in terms of the risk and reward, it can give us a really good trade setup. The only thing is we need to see the continuation as a sharp move, not the corrective move. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update or trade setup, I will share. Thanks.